Session 19 of Industrial Relations and Labour Legislation of 6th semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about tripartite bodies, ILC and SLC. Tripartite bodies. Tripartite is a system of labor relations in which the state employers and workers are autonomous yet interdependent partners pursuing common interests and participating in decisions affecting them in a binding spirit of mutuality and reciprocity. This can take place either at the macro and micro level or both macro and micro level. Tripartite consultation is an important feature of India's industrial relations system, and it has a long history in India as it was set up as early in 1942. The objectives of tripartite bodies to uphold standardization in labor legislation, to put down a practice to resolve industrial disputes, to consider matters which are important to management and the employees. Tripartite forums evolve norms or standards in the form of guidelines. There are a number of tripartite bodies which operate at the central and the state levels. The Indian Labour Conference. These are the main forums for tripartite consultation. The Indian Labour Conference ILC and the Standing Labour Committee SLC. These are the main forums. Apart from that, there are wage boards and industrial committees operate at the central level and state labour advisory boards operate at the state level. All these bodies play an important role in reaching at voluntary agreements on various labour matters. Though the recommendations of these bodies are only advisory in nature, they carry considerable weight with the government, workers and the employers. Let us see the first tripartite body, that is Indian Labour Conference. The role of Indian Labour Conference is to counsel the central government on matters that are referred to it for recommendation. In the course of giving the opinions, Indian Labour Conference takes the views of provincial government, the state and delegates of the associations of workers and the employers. The objectives of ILC: to endorse uniformity in labor legislation, to put down a modus operandi for the completion of industrial disputes, a particular method, to talk about all issues of national significance between the employers and the workers. The second most important forum is Standing Labour Committee. The key task is to study and explore issues as may be passed on it by the plenary conference or the central government. The committee in the process is to provide opinions on these issues that are again crafted on the basis of the proposals made by various governments, workers and the employers. The central government, in consultation with the All India Organizations of Workers and Employers, nominates the representatives of the workers and the employers to these bodies. The Labour Ministry clears up the agenda for the meetings. The ministry prepares the agenda on the strength of the suggestions of the member organizations. These two bodies, ILC and SLC, work with minimum procedural rules to aid open and comprehensive debates among the members. The ILC meets once a year, whereas the SLC convenes its meeting as per the requirements. References: